Hi, I'm Holly, Nutritionist for Giant. And while I've been at home, I'm finding myself cooking more than I ever had before. And probably like you, I'm rummaging through my pantry to find new recipes and ideas for my family without breaking the budget. So I was really excited to find that I had all the ingredients to make a minestrone soup in my pantry, and so that's what we're gonna go through today. So you're gonna start out by taking a large pot with a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Saute that up, and then you're gonna add your base of tomatoes for your minestrone soup. I had crushed and diced, but use whatever you have. And then you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of a tomato paste. We're gonna move on to add our liquid to the pot, and you can use a chicken broth, vegetable, whatever you have. You're gonna use the whole container, which is about 4 cups. We're gonna move on to add our spices. You can use whatever you have in your pantry. I had basil, oregano, thyme, which worked really nicely, and I did about a teaspoon of each. You're gonna add your canned beans. I used 2 cans. I used a garbanzo and kidney. And then this is where you can get creative with whatever you have in your pantry for your vegetables. I had canned green beans and carrots, and I had some frozen spinach in my freezer, so that's what I threw in. You're gonna bring that all to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're gonna add the last ingredient, which is gonna be your pasta. You're gonna do about a half of a cup of pasta. You're gonna boil it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're good to go. If you wanna let it simmer for a little longer, you can, but at the end, you're gonna have this hearty, delicious, fiber-rich minestrone soup that your family's gonna love. So enjoy, and thanks so much for joining us.